Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So friends, in this video we will see what is your person hiding from you. So let's quickly jump into our reading and see. So first we will see the energies of this connection. Okay, energies of your person surrounding this connection. So let's see all the signs first. I can see you or your person can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a fire sign, any fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius energies also I'm getting. Okay, so it can be sun, moon, rising, or Venus. So friends, don't worry much about signs. Okay, only take those messages which resonate with your situation and leave behind the rest. So now let's quickly see what is your person hiding. So I can see that this person is hiding that they are getting impatient to take action towards you. They want to put down their guards in order to be with you. They want to break all the physical or emotional walls or barriers between you both and come forward with a love offer. But their intuition is blocked, what I can see here. They are not able to make any decisions. But I can see that they have lots of love for you, but they are trying their best to hold themselves back in order to experience this love with you due to some practical issues or concerns surrounding this connection. Also, your person is keeping tabs on you secretly, what I'm seeing here. So if you have blocked them from everywhere, which I am strongly getting energies of, that you have pulled back your energy from them, you have blocked them energetically as well. So they are watching you from far, either your pictures if they have, or gathering some information about you from your mutual friends or from anyone at workplace, however it resonates with your situation. Friends, I can see you are a great temptation to this person. Their heart space has unconditional love for you. They are attracted towards you physically as well as emotionally. For some of you, this person might also be feeling that you are slowly losing interest in them and moving on in your own lives, which is a great job you are doing, friends. So as a result of which is creeping insecurities in this person's mind and making this person more and more insecure, because they are seeing you growing and doing well without them. And as a result of which this person is putting their guards down and they are wanting to experience your love and energy again. As you can see, we got bottom deck energy card as 9 of Wands in reverse. So this person is ready to break any sort of stone walling if they have been doing this. Okay, also we got 7 of Wands in reverse. So maybe in the past this person has let you down in some way. They were not able to provide you what you expected from them in this connection. because might be they did not have enough bandwidth to give you what you need at that time. So this caused separation and heartbreak situation between you both. So this person is hiding lots of love for you. They want to get vulnerable with you both physically and emotionally. I'm hearing lyrics of song Come Back Be Here from Taylor Swift. That this is falling in love in the cruelest way. This is falling for you and you are worlds away. So when I see this globe in Two of Wands, so I'm getting energies that you both are physically separated from each other. Maybe you both live in different cities or different countries, okay? Or also I'm getting like you both belong to different cultures, okay? So just take as it resonates. So what I'm seeing, friends, is that they are literally missing you a lot, and I'm not surprised if this person see your pictures daily and daydream about you a lot. I feel that this person see that in 3D this love between you both is more conditional due to societal conditioning and real practical issues which is holding them back to take any action. I can see this person has a lot of desire and passion for you, but they have to learn to ground themselves in order to take this connection forward with you and get themselves with you to the other side of the problem. So I can see that this person has to start seeing themselves and you to be in one team rather than be in a confused state, because as you can see we got Queen of Cups in reverse, and as a clarifier we got Two of Wands. So I'm getting energies like they feel that you both belong to different you are belong to different pages. You both are not on the same page, okay? Even same uh, even you both does not belong to the same book, because I'm getting lot of you know energies of like separating, like you both have chosen two different paths, okay? So I can see that this person do have lots of love for you, and almost this love is unconditional, but they are just um seeing you both on different pages, and also like different backgrounds, and always thinking about problems between you both rather than thinking what doesn't goes well when you are together, and start thinking what all can go in sync when you are together can help your person to bridge this gap between you both. What I'm getting energies, okay friends? So yes, these are the energies which I'm getting from this reading today, okay? That your person has a lot of desire and passion for you, and they just manifesting you from a long time, but they are not taking any action to achieve this achieve this connection with you, to make this connection successful in 3D. Okay, due to some practical issues or concerns, because I can see they are daydreaming lot about you, like they are totally in with you, totally, like whenever they get free time, their thoughts like go back to you. If they try to distract themselves from day to day work, but their thoughts get back to you, like it is wired with you. This can be a twin flame connection also. Okay, so yes friends, these are the energies which I am getting. So let me know in the comment section below if this reading has resonated with you all or not. Okay, I love to hear from you all. Also, I love to have you subscribe to my channel. Please like, share the video if you like the reading. So friends, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye friends, take care.